Good morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Cardinal 3350 RLX. It's a Cardinal Luxury Edition. Beautiful coach. Let's step inside and take a look at some of the features on the inside. Notice this has the new stable stairway. Very nice entry system. Folds up into your coach, but it gives you an access that's so much nicer than the old style steps. Very solid and easy to get into. Particular coach just arrived, so I apologize for the packing on the refrige. We haven't not gotten it totally unpacked yet, but I wanted you to have the opportunity to take a look at it. This coach is great. It gives you a real nice open feel. Your gas grill top, it's new Freon gas grill top. The microwave convection oven. The new larger gas oven. The 4-door 18 cubic foot freezer. It's got great storage, nice pantry system here with the pull-out drawers. Almost like a mini bar here, more storage above. All LED lightings. It's got a fantastic fan above your kitchen area, a ceiling fan. It's got 2 air conditionings, and it's pre-wired to have a 3rd air conditioning put in it. Nice deep residential style sinks. Pull out spray nozzle on your faucet. Your pull out 110 and the 12 volt plugs. It's got the nice larger gas or electric heater fireplace. Your TV comes up. And it's a nice big 40-inch TV. It's got dual sunscreen window blinds and blackout shades. It's got storage above your full-size sleeper. Nice reclining theater seating. Your dining table and chairs. It's got storage underneath your chairs, and this of course folds out into a larger table. One of the nice things that Cardinal's done is they do not carpet the steps or a wood step. Of course, that's the first place your carpet wears, so it's very nice to have the wood steps. Your control panel is located right here. It's got a king-size bed. A nice 32-inch TV in your bedroom. More cabinets over here with pull-out drawers. Another full set of drawers right here. And they are cedar lined. It's plumbed for a washer and dryer. You've got 2 more folding chairs for your dining room table. Sink covers, of course. And it is equipped with a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Another rack here, and this is all cedar lined, all LED lighting. Let's step back here and look in the restroom. It's got the nice porcelain toilet, nice oversized shower. Let me step in here real quick. You've got linen storage over on this side. Nice lighted vanity. And more storage underneath your sink. Nice drawer. It's a great coach, another fantastic fan in the bathroom. Does have the handrail going down the staircase here. It's got 2 electric awnings. Both your awnings are metal encased. And that'll give you 4 or 5 times the life on an awning when they're metal encased. It's got the frameless windows. Great storage in the belly. Your spare tires located right inside here. Your battery disconnect right here. You got propane cylinders on both sides. They automatically, of course, change over. It's got MORride hitch pin, LED lights on the front, light up and makes it look real nice. Your 6-point auto leveling system. Your other propane cylinders right here. Your docking station with your water filtration, your water bypass, your exterior shower, all located right here along with your waste dump valves. Your electric gas hot water heater. It's got a rear fiberglass cap and a ladder to access your roof, along with a stinger so that you can, or a hitch so that you can have a bike rack or a carrier out back here. Okay folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.